Hi dear students, how are you all of you? Dear students, you all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear student, this is our second lesson, Diversity in Society. We have learned half of the lesson in the first part. I will show you up to where we have learned it. See, up to let's discuss. We have complete the lesson in the first part. Now we are going to understand it from here. Let's discuss. We must cooperate with efforts aimed at the education and development of girls and the weaker and deprived sections of society. To whom we should cooperate? To whom should we help? We should help to the girls, weaker, deprived sections of the people from the society. For this purpose, obtain information about the relevant government scheme, and we must take help of the government schemes. Discuss in class what you can do for the development of these sections of our society, and you have to discuss in our class what can you do for these sections of our society. Share the important point from your discussions with students of other classes, and whatever you have discussed you have to share your discussion with the other classes students. Now, tolerance and understanding. Just as there is a cooperation in the society, so also at times there can be differences of opinion, disputes, and conflicts. See, tolerance and understanding. Just as there is a cooperation in society, if there is a cooperation in society, so also at times there can be differences of opinions. Even yes, there is cooperation in the society, but there may be different kinds of opinions, disputes, conflicts. Yes, disputes and conflicts arise when there is a lack of agreement in the opinions, ideas, and views of the people. When these disputes, conflicts arise, when the fighting arises among the people, when there is a lack of agreement, when the society members they are having a lots of agreement in them, yes or no, in the opinions and their ideas and their views of the people, prejudices or misconceptions about each other can also lead to conflicts. Yes, misconceptions, prejudice, this also a way that the people are having conflicts with each other. However, it is in nobody's interest to keep a conflict going for a long time, and none of the people they like to have this conflict for a long time. Yes, people find a way to resolve conflicts through compromises and understanding, and people they are trying to stop their fighting by compromises and understanding. Thus, conflicts can end if people make efforts to understand each other and show a spirit of tolerance. Yes, conflict fighting can end, but the people when they make efforts of understand each other and show spirit of tolerance towards, so the conflict will be removed from the society. And understanding attitudes leads to a lot of learning, and when there is the understanding we are learning lots of things. We accept new ideas. Yes, when we understand means we are accepting new ideas, we are accepting new peoples. This help to further enrich of our society, and if we do like so our society will be increased, our society will not have so many problems. We become more tolerant, more tolerant, understandable person. Society provides us an opportunity to learn this simple method of maintaining well-being and peace in society. See, society provides that an opportunity to learn this simple method of maintaining well-being and peace in society. When understanding is there, when people they are accepting this understanding, means they are learning how to maintain peace in the society. Yes. Can you do it? What is it? Can you do it? You too may have made some compromises. Have you make any compromises for the society? Yes, we are making so many. Some such experiences are given below. Add more experiences of your own, and experiences are given here. Even you can add your own experiences also. The hall is packed full of students. See, there is a hall and it is packed. There are so many students in the hall. You see a person standing, and you have seen that someone is standing behind. Yes, you move over a little on your bench to make room for the person. And you see sometimes what happen, if you see someone is standing, you are moving little bit on your bench and you are creating room for him, means you are creating a place for him. Yes, you want a cycle with gears. See, you are there and you want gear cycle. Yes, what you want? A gear cycles. But your parents have to pay your sister's school fees. You want gear cycle, your sister is there, she has to pay off fees in the school. What will you do? Will you buy gear cycle, or will you pay the fees of your sister? You give up your demand and you said that I don't want gear cycle, please pay the school fee. Yes, your family was able to sort out a dispute with the neighbors over the boundary of the field without going to the court. See, you are there and you have field. Yes, crop where we grow, this field is there, and your neighbors and your family members, they have fighting because of the field. Yes, always those they are villages, they have. Without going to court, you can solve out your problem, or it is necessary to go in the court? No. Your neighbor's Sopan is now a good friend of yours, and you have solve your problems in you. So your neighbor Sopan, he is a good friend of yours. Now next, an opportunity to perform different roles. You are getting an opportunity of what? To perform different roles. In society, we play different roles. When we are living in the society, we play different roles. Each individual has several roles, and the responsibilities and duties of every role are well defined. See, each individual has several roles, and responsibility and duties of every role are well defined. While playing these roles at home and outside, we form bonds with many people. And in society, when we are completing our duties, we meet different peoples and we have bond with them. However, changes may occur in parts we play, and see, automatically we are getting changes in our behavior when we play these roles. Try this. Look at the picture on the next page. Picture they have given on the next page. Spot the picture and clearly defines your role today. And you have to spot the picture. What is your role today? Discuss the new roles that you will have to carry out after 20 years. And even you have to show that which role you are going to carry after 20 years. Let's see. What is your role now? You are a student, and even you have to spot what will you be after 20 years. See, you will be members of friends of children, or you may sport person, cleanliness ambassadors. Here is you. You are doing different kinds of roles. Yes or no? Class representative, member of your friends circle in the school. You are now student. Yes. Class representatives. Yes. Member of your friend circle in school. After 20 years you will become member of friends of children society, son, daughter of your parents, sportsman, a sports person. Yes or no? Now, regulation of society in order that society functions smoothly. How does society functions? It functions smoothly. Some rules are required, and for that some rules are required. In ancient times, society was mostly regulated with the help of traditions, and in the ancient time, a society it was mostly regulated with the help of traditions. Traditions people used to use, but in modern times, along with traditions, law are needed. What do they need? The laws are needed. Law is different from traditions and custom. What is it? It different from traditions and custom. The regulation of society through laws and tradition is carried out by different organizations and institutions. Yes. Government bodies at the local level also play an important role in the process of regulation of society, and the government bodies they are also playing an important role in the process of regulation of society. See, these are the things we have learned here in this lesson. This lesson is very much easy exercise. I am giving you link in the description box. Yes, dear students, to get more videos, please subscribe our channel.